So over here, you can see that I got page links right here on the top in my Strikingly page. But let's say what I want to do is I want to keep some of the pages right here, like about, profile, contact, under a drop-down menu as well. So to do that, you can simply go to the page manage section, and then you can click on add drop-down menu. So I'm just going to go around and say about us right here, or let's say, for example, our thing. Let's say, for example, you can name it whatever you want, and then you can drag in the pages inside those particular folders. So I'm just going to go around over here. So let's just go ahead right here. I can drag in the pages right here inside that particular folder, and it becomes a drop down menu right here, which allows you to go ahead and go to the respected pages. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and move the location of it. Under our thing, you can see contact and profile right here, just like this. You can go ahead and drag it in right here, and there you go. You can drag it out right here, just like this as well. So as you go ahead and drag it out right here, what happens is that it comes outside right here. So you want to go ahead and make a placement right here, just like this, as per how you want. You can go to setting and rename the drop down, or delete the drop down altogether right here. But it says when you delete it, all the pages will be kept. So once you delete it, you can see that all the pages are still there. So that is simply how you can go ahead and add in drop-down menu inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.